Okay, guys, I just wanted to do this quick video. I know you're aware I made a video of Robinhood doing IPO access, giving investors the ability to lock in on the, starting or initial stock price before it actually goes public. The last three companies that went public, you had IPO access, the stock price went up substantially. So, and I'll give an example with Figma. I think Figma went up about 250%. So now they have Bullish, which is a cryptocurrency company. And as you guys can see, last time with Figma, I didn't get any shares. This time, I just end up getting 10 shares. The max share price would be $37.20. I submitted this August 15th. I was supposed to bend to this video, but I'm like, all right, let me just kind of put it out there. And the IPO access, if you want to see, more details, just check this suggested video on the last one. But if we can see, this is the IPO access. This was the one that, let's look at the one previously. Figma, well, it looks like Figma cooled off a little bit, but it's up 164%. The initial price was $33. Now the current price is $87. At one time, it was already at 122. If we look at the one before that, Circle, the initial price was 31. It went to 166. And if you go to Arrow, this one initial price was 10 and it's $20.75. And if you look at these dates, it hasn't been that long. So this one was 7/31. I think this went up 250%. I believe in literally like a day or so. Check the video. Circle, this was 6/5, so that was June 5th. $31 to 166. And then you also have CoreWeave. This one went public 3/8 March 2025. Current share price $142. So I was just like, now it trust it's not like that all the time, because as you can see, there has been ones where down 90, 75, 60, 97, 45. So it's not like that all the time. But lately, it's kind of been going that way. So I just end up saying, oh, let me get like just 10 shares to see how it kind of did. I believe the rule for the IPO access is you're supposed to at least hold it for 30 days. If you don't hold it for 30 days, I think you might be disqualified for future IPO shares. But hey, this is like I said, another opportunity. They have the IPO access. If you can't necessarily find it, you can always just type in IPO access in flight. Initially, it did start about, I think it was 30, I think 28 to 30, but they raised the price up. And then we'll see, and it's basically going to go public tomorrow. So I was supposed to hurry up and get this video out. The market end up closing, I believe, at 4 o'clock. So hopefully I can get this video out. If you guys, looking for an opportunity that it can pop, or you can make a good amount of short-term gains in the future. Now, we never really know how it can go, but the last three kind of went really well. So we should see, this one at least do well. And if nothing doesn't happen in over a month, hopefully that if, over a month time, if nothing happens, at least it stay flat, so like nothing really happens. But yeah, let me know. As you can see, like Figma, oops, oh, that's the wrong one. So if you can see Figma, the last one, the company. They was a company that kind of helps make applications and stuff like that. A good position for in the AI space as well. They were up 250%. By the way, this Bullish, the company itself, they do own CoinDesk. I would label them as a cryptocurrency company. I don't know, necessarily too much about the company. So this is kind of more so of a speculation play based off of the IPO access, how recent IPO access kind of done. So at this one, it's more, I guess you consider like a gamble play just to see how things it just to see how things would go if I end up just purchasing these IPO access. So it's not really from me like assessing the company or so. I'm just looking at how the IPO access has been performing if we look at that. And as you can see I got the ticker symbol will be BLSH. I end up getting 10 shares, requested 10 shares, estimated cost $372. So I'll end up purchasing it, and we can see how everything goes. But that concludes this video. So it is an opportunity. We will see how it performs tomorrow. Let me know what you think. If you heard of the company before, Bullish, or what do you think? If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel.